Are you dreaming of living abroad but overwhelmed by the when and how quickly can I get out of here? The Moving Abroad Timeline Generator is your interactive compass designed specifically for solo parents to map out your journey with clarity and confidence. This tool takes the guesswork out of planning by helping you visualize your relocation milestones across different time frames. It's perfect for adapting to your unique pace and family's needs. Here's how to use it. First, you're going to choose your specific timeline, whether that is the 90-day sprint, which is perfect for those who are ready to quickly move. These are people who might already have savings or remote work in place. This option helps you prioritize and accelerate key tasks. 6 months steady pace is a balanced approach that gives you ample time for thorough research, saving, and preparing your family without feeling too rushed or drawn out. And then we have the 12-month comprehensive journey. This is ideal for solo parents who need more time for significant financial planning, obtaining specific visas, preparing children for new schools or homeschools, or slowly winding down their life in their current country. The generator will consider essential factors like your current location and desired destination to tailor relevant tasks. Once you select your timeline, the generator will populate a clear, actionable sequence of steps showing you what needs to happen by when. You'll get a personalized roadmap that includes key milestones such as visa applications, passports and renewals, financial checkpoints, school enrollments, deadlines, housing searches, and more. You'll be able to break down the big goal into manageable daily, weekly, or monthly tasks specific to your chosen time frame. See your entire journey laid out in a logical, achievable sequence, empowering you to take consistent steps without feeling lost or stressed. Whether you're aiming for a swift transition or a more gradual move, this timeline generator will provide the structure and clarity you need to successfully begin your incredible adventure abroad with your children. Start generating your personalized timeline today.